Hey guys, welcome back to that channel. I hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to review this Mark II 2006 Ford Focus station wagon. I've done a few videos about it. If you haven't watched them, I'll leave the links to the playlist down below, or you can check info button at the corner. If you liked the video, or if you found something useful, then please hit the like button, and for more future content or videos, press the subscribe button. And now let's get on to the review. So this car has been in our family for almost 2 years, and it has run almost perfectly ever since we got it. So this car has a different way to open the engine bay. It doesn't have a lever or a button near the front seat. You have to use the key to open the hood. You have to open like this. You have to use the key. So this is the 1.6 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. It makes around 80 kilowatts, so around 107 horsepower, and has a maximum speed of 188 kilometers per hour. The average mileage you get is around 5 liters per 100 kilometers, so it's really good and cheap to maintain. So now let's look inside. So on the door these are the basic window controls. The main thing with the lights are you have to turn them on and off again every time you start and turn off the car, which is pretty annoying, but you get used to it. So the steering wheel is a 4-spoke steering wheel. To the left of the steering wheel there is the turning signal lever. Right below it is the volume controls. There aren't any extra buttons on the steering wheel. To the right of the steering wheel is the windscreen wiper controls. Also right to the steering wheel is the ignition. So this is the entertainment system. As you can see, it's pretty outdated. The basic AC options, heated seats. So this car is a 5-speed manual, and it is front wheel drive, handbrake, a small storage compartment, cup holders, and here is another storage compartment. And here is the lighter hole. Yep. So here's the glove compartment, storage on both sides of the car, doors, back mirror, simple sun blockers. This car's mileage is almost 325,000 kilometers, so that's a decent amount for a 14-year-old car. So this car has cloth interior, 5 seats in total. Front seats have enough leg room for me. I'm around 175 or 5'7". I'll show you the back ones in a minute. The seats are not automatic, you have to adjust them yourself. Here is the front and back moving option, and over here is the race. And I'll show you the back seats. Back seats have decent amount of room. Again, foot room. You have a small storage compartment, and you can control the windows, and that's about it. Also, if you need to fit 5 people in here, you have quite a lot of room. If you need to sit in the middle, I'll show you. There is quite a lot of leg room, even if there are 2 people next to you. If you need extra room in the back for storage, you can pull the rear seats down. I'll show you how. You just have to press this down, and then the seat will come. But first you need to raise this, and then you just have to pull this down and you have extra room. And same goes for the other side. This car has a lot of storage room. If you have the seats up, the storage room is around 35.6 cubic feet, and the storage room with seats down is double the amount, around 73.1 cubic feet. So it makes it a really practical car for everyday use. So this car at the moment has alloy wheels on it because the winter, and it doesn't let the debris from the road get through the wheels. So that's basically for this video. I hope you liked it and learned something new. If you did, then hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.